Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix direct message option is not showing on TikTok. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on TikTok, click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Direct messaging is a core feature on social media platforms like TikTok, enabling users to communicate privately with friends, family, colleagues, boss, clients, and fixing this issue ensures that users can effectively communicate and connect with others on the platforms. Direct messaging plays a significant role in driving user engagement on TikTok. DMs often share content, discuss trends, and collaborate through direct messages, ensuring the availability of this feature encourages users to stay active on the platform and interact with each other. Now, I need you to hover to the upper right corner and click on the settings, all right? Now, once you've done that, I need you to hover to the feed, search, share, and report the problem. Okay, and from here, tell your problem that you are having issues on the TikTok direct message. The thing is, there is really no tool or option for you to fix the direct message. It's not showing on your TikTok app. All I'm gonna do is, of course, check the customer support service and tell them you're having an issue. All right, and click on submit. And I need you to do the same thing if you're using your mobile device. Now, once you are inside your TikTok app, I need you to hover to the hamburger menu, the three horizontal lines on the upper right corner, click on settings and privacy, and from here, I need you to click on the support. And you might want to check some topics that could give you guidelines and insights on how to fix it. Alternatively, if you can't find anything from here, just go back and click on report a problem, and it's the same process we did earlier on the web version on tiktok.com. All you're gonna do is click on submit a report, and from here type in your questions, and of course one of the support staff will give you insights and troubleshooting guides on how to fix this issue. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.